I wanted to do a quick video on the healing sounds for the 5 elements of Chinese medicine. Traditionally, these sounds are done at night before going to bed so that you can release all of the toxins and negative energy that's been built up throughout the day. It's a way of preventing getting sick before it happens, or releasing negative emotions before they begin to build up and cause issues in the body. So you don't have to do it before going to bed if that is not convenient for your schedule. You can do it at any time throughout the day. And especially if you just had like a bad encounter that you're ruminating over something and you feel this negative energy, it's good to stop and do the sound for that particular emotion. It's also, if you feel you're getting sick, it's good to do that periodically to just kind of re-enhance or heal the body if you are already sick. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Hello, welcome to the 5 element healing sounds. The first one we're going to do is the metal element, which is for the lungs. So put your arms up overhead with a little bit of a bend in your elbows and your thumbs pointing up. Take a deep breath in and make the sound zzz. Make sure you exhale everything out of your belly and your chest, and then come down and breathe in white healing light over your lungs. Don't actually touch your chest, but just bring your hands over your chest. Take some deep breaths in to breathe some white healing light. You can also picture white light surrounding your entire body and just breathing that in. Let's do it one more time. And as you exhale with the Z sound, picture gray, cloudy air coming out of your mouth that's been locked in your lungs. It's releasing. Deep breath in, white light surrounding you and going into your lungs. Okay, we're gonna do one more time. This is the vibration from the sound is actually healing. It's loosening all the junk that's been stored in there and it's releasing it. Inhale, white, pearly light, healing light. Now we're going to do that again, only this time we're going to do the emotions that are associated with the lungs. So instead of making the Z sound, we're going to whisper an S sound. And still picture the gray cloudy air coming out, but this time you're picturing sadness, grief, and depression as that cloudy air being released. Breathe in inspiration and courage. White light, healing, inspiration. Let's do it again. Deep breath in. Inhale, white light. Last time. Deep breath in as deep as you can go and exhale. Gray cloudy air. surrounding your body. Up next, we have the water element, which is your kidneys. The kidneys govern your endocrine system, which is your hormones, and also it controls the reproductive system. So you can do this, well, this one is supposed to be done seated. The others you can do standing or seated. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come up on your toes. You're gonna wrap your hands around your knees, kind of straighten your arms and kind of arch your back to get that air down into your kidney area. Take a deep breath in and make the sound tree. Make sure you exhale completely and feel that vibration going down. You might have to adjust a little bit if you can't feel the vibration going down your body. Take another deep breath in. Oh wait, first send healing blue light to your kidneys. So put your hands back behind you, on your kidneys, and picture your body surrounded in blue healing light and just breathing that light into your kidneys. Let's go ahead and do it again. Deep breath in and exhale gray cloudy air. Breathe in the blue light. And when we're making the vibrating noises, you're raising your body's energy. You're raising your vibration up higher. And then adding the light, breathing in the light, gets it to its highest form of vibration that it can, which is where the healing starts taking place. All right, one last time. Up on your toes. Deep breath in. Deep breaths, breathe in the light. And next we're going to do it for the emotions of the kidneys, which are fear and insecurity. So as you're breathing out, picture just releasing all fears and insecurities, and when you're breathing the blue light back in, picture peace, tranquility, and security coming in and replacing that. So hands around. And this is going to be sort of like blowing out a candle with a CH in front of it. So take a deep breath in. Breathe in that peace and tranquility. Deep breaths in. All right, let's do it again. Arms straight, kind of curve your back a little. All right, last time. Deep breath in, gray cloudy air as you release the fear and insecurity. Bright blue light of peace, security, and tranquility. After the water element comes the wood element, which is focused on your liver. It also affects the gallbladder and your eyesight. So if you're having any issues with either of those, this might be a good one to do several times throughout the day. So what you're gonna do is your liver is right here on your right side. So you're gonna lift your arms up and lean to the left to stretch this area right in here. Breathe deep and release cloudy gray air. Shoo. Breathe in bright green light. Once again, you can surround your body and your mind with a bright green light and just breathe it in. Or you can send green light from your hands into your liver area. And again. Shoo. See if you could feel that vibration in your body. And breathe in the green light once again. And one last time. Lean to the left. Come down, hold over your liver, and just breathe in the green light. So we're going to do that again only for the emotions, and the negative emotions are anger, agitation, frustration, envy, jealousy. So we want to clear all of those and breathe in kindness, generosity, imagination, creativity. Those are all elements of the liver when your liver is balanced. So let's arms up overhead, lean to the left again, and breathe in deep. Breathe in creativity, kindness, and generosity with a bright green light over your liver. Again, exhale anger and frustration and agitation or jealousy. Breathe in the kindness and generosity. One more time. Lean to the left, deep breath, gray cloudy air. Hands come down, hold over your liver, breathe in the green light and think of generosity, kindness, imagination. Okay, after the wood element comes the fire. And the fire is the heart, which basically has a mind of its own. It is its own system for filtering out all of the emotions we come in contact with. In fact, it's said that the heart is to our emotions what the immune system is to viruses. So it's constantly filtering in positive and negative emotions and energies from all around us, and sometimes it will cling to that, like the virus can cling to us and make us sick, or if we filter it properly and release that, then we can maintain a healthy heart and body and emotional state. Doing the movement for the body, healing the heart physically, This one right here, you're gonna lean to the left. You're gonna lean to the right because your heart is on your left. And if you do this regularly, it's been known to help aid in reducing the risk of heart attacks. So lean to the right and deep breath in, gray cloudy air. And breathe in bright red healing light over the heart, and don't actually touch your body. And I want to clarify that if you feel you are at risk for a heart attack, you should still see your doctor, but this is a good complementary thing or exercise to do in conjunction with any medications or doctor's advice. Okay, arms up again, breathe in deep. Bright red healing light into the heart. Now the emotions of the heart, we carry all the emotions in the heart, but the main ones, the negative emotions are hatred, being too busy so that we don't stop and process things, impatience. And interestingly enough, the hatred that the heart feels is when it's moved over from the wood element, the anger. If it's not properly dealt with in that element, then it comes over to the heart and is magnified. And it's interesting how all of the 5 elements are related and they pass on to each thing. It's like a big circle, and when it gets moved to the next one, then it can be worse if it's not dealt with, and the next one it will even be worse. So with the wood element, the anger, it gets passed on to the heart, which turns to hatred. And so we want to release that and clear that, because there might be a time and a place for that, but that's not a state of mind that you want to live in. And so you want to release anger, impatience, anxiety. Anxiety is another really big one, emotional anxiety, not mental anxiety. And you want to replace it with love, joy, patience, gratitude, happiness. All of those are the main areas of the heart. And so go ahead and lift your arms up overhead, release the gray cloudy air, lean to the right, and it's more like a sigh. And just breathe in the red healing light of love, joy, compassion, empathy. Arms up overhead. Release anger and impatience, anxiety. Arms back down. Red glowing healing light. And arms back up. Lean to the right. Sit there and breathe in the red glowing light that's surrounding your body, shooting from your hands and nourishing your heart. And welcome to the last element, which is the earth element. We have one more healing sound after this that is not part of the 5 element circle or the wheel, but this is still part of the healing system of healing the body. So the earth element is for your spleen, and if you've had your spleen removed, it's okay, because we're dealing more with like the energies of what that governs, which is the digestive system. So with this one, you're gonna as you exhale, you're gonna dig your fingers into your lower left ribs, or right underneath your ribs, and let out the exhale, which is gonna be a whoo. And so first, you're gonna breathe in deep and gather the energy around you. And breathe in and kind of push your fingers out with your breath, and then hold your hands just a little bit away from your body and breathe in the yellow healing light. Do it again. Gather the air, fingers in your ribs, and exhale dirty, cloudy air. Bright yellow light. And one more time, gather good energy and bright yellow light healing your whole digestive tract and your spleen. Okay, and for the emotional energy, this one is, since it's the earth element, the earth is stable. So the emotions that come with this is stability. If you're off, out of balance, you're gonna feel foggy brained, you're gonna feel kind of unstable, you're gonna feel very closed-minded. So when you release that, you're more open-minded. It's also, the negative side is the mental energy, where you're ruminating thoughts over and over, you're overthinking. And so releasing that is going to invite in clear thinking and better decision making, and just the foggy brain will be gone. So we're going to do the same movement, but this time it's more of a whisper. So gather the air and breathe out. Breathe in clarity, stability, open-mindedness. Bright yellow light. You can surround your whole body with that yellow light and just breathe it into your body if you want. And one more time, deep breath in, gather the air. All right, last time. Welcome to the last sound that we have. This is for the triple warmer. The triple warmer, excuse me, in Chinese medicine is the three energy reservoirs of the body. We have the upper dantian, the middle dantian, and then the lower dantian. And so when the triple warmer is your fight or flight system, when that gets out of balance, heat rises, because the triple warmer is supposed to keep heat in all three of those. Heat rises and you get a lot of mental clarity. Clutter up here, anxiety, all that stuff. So triple warmer, when you balance it, you're balancing your nervous system, you're getting the energy back down into your belly, which is where you store most of it for your everyday energy or for your fight and flight. And, and so we're getting everything, we're getting the stability back. It also is a communicator with the endocrine system, so you're balancing your hormones and everything too as you get this back. So breathe out the cloudy air of just unrest and instability and all that, and breathe in purple light of calming, cleaning, stability, just overall balance. So go ahead, and the sound is he. Rest your hands on your knees and just soak up the purple light surrounding you and balancing your triple warmer. Let's do it again. Arms out to the side, scoop up good healing energy. Deep breath in and one more time. Deep breath in, nice purple violet light surrounding you and going into each of your upper, middle, and lower dantians. Now we're going to do it again, only more of a whisper. And this is really good to help you sleep, which is one reason why it's good to do this before going to bed, because this will help you get into your restful state. It'll bring all that energy away so you're not overthinking, and just help you have a really nice restful sleep. So arms up. Just soak in that calming purple light. Take in deep breaths and exhale fully. One more time. If you find that you're waking up frequently in the middle of the night, this is a really good one to do to help you get back to sleep. The deep breathing, along with that noise, it helps calm. And doing it, 10, 15, 20 times, you probably won't even remember counting. You'll be so fast asleep before you realize it. All right, last time. And there you have it. Those are your 6 healing sounds to heal pretty much anything that's going on in your body. It's good to do it all in a system regularly just to get your body cleared out emotionally and physically. But like I said earlier, you can focus on one thing and just really work the energy into that system to help heal any particular problems that you're having. Now, for a disclaimer, I am not a doctor and I cannot give medical advice. So if you are having serious issues or things that are very concerning, you need to see a doctor, and just use this as well as a complementary exercise. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this.